So what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aswathy, you can call me Ash, and here on my channel I do almost everything. I haven't filmed in a long time. Today is July 6th and I was like, let's get back, okay? So the last video when I posted, I think it was still winter, but right now it's summer in Canada. I'm an international student at Thankyou College and I stay here in London, Ontario, Canada. Lately, I have been just trying to get back into my life, like get back into my routines and be productive and just lead like a healthy, wellness oriented lifestyle, if that made any sense at all. So I've started to get back into reading, I have started going to the gym, and I've started trying to incorporate healthy meals into my diet. Yeah. So yeah, that is what has been going on. So yeah, last evening actually, me and two of my other friends from here, Bianca and Naina, we went shopping to Masonville Place, and then we went to Jack's, Richmond Street, and we had some fun last night. It was really nice. I haven't had such a fun night in a while. I think like we came back home at almost 11:30 or 12 o'clock. It was really fun. Like I enjoyed every single moment since the moment I left the house. I was like so happy. I love them. They're crazy, just like me. And we live for that, right? So yeah, do have some clips from yesterday, which I filmed on my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna just put that here.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
I'm already ready for my gym. I don't want to go late. I want to go there before 10 o'clock so that I can finish up by 11 and get back and attend my class at 12. So alright, so if I'm feeling very dehydrated on some days for any reason, okay, I drink crystallites. This is what they look like. I have like one pack of this. Just have to turn it in. There you go. And you just put it in there. Yeah, this is grapefruit flavor and I love this flavor. It's really nice. So yeah, put it in there. Put some water in there. That's enough. You can see that I haven't got enough sleep. And I think I slept at like 2:30 last night. No, not enough sleep for me. I woke up at 8 o'clock. Oh my god. And this thing rehydrates you like crazy. It's just electrolytes, guys. This crystallite thing is just basically electrolytes. It's right and right. That's good stuff. Also, I've been trying to take my vitamins. I forget it. It's just multivitamin. Women's multivitamin. It's 2 gummies. I'm gonna get my coffee. This is just silicone mold. I thought I found out it's like really small ice hexagons. Yeah, it looks pretty and it's easy to use. Minus ice tray, I think. I'm very particular about my coffee. Like I need my coffee to look good. I have my glass. This is a beautiful glass, but I've been eyeing this beak can shaped glasses or the double wall glasses. Like both of them, I love those glasses. They're just so aesthetic. I want them so badly, but I can't find them anywhere for cheaper price. Like they're there. I don't see them, but they're like $25-$30 for a glass. I'm not giving that much for a glass. I've been trying like different non-dairy milk products for my coffee, and Chelsea Trevor, another YouTuber, Canadian YouTuber, I love her. So productive, such a queen. I love her. So yeah, she was using this one, the barista oat milk, and it is made for barista like coffee. It is better than regular milk. So I've been obsessed with this one lately, and like I buy it in bulk. There's another pack sitting right here. And for sweetening my coffee, I've been using this one. I don't know, I can't find any other non-dairy creamers. I also like the one from Nestle, the regular creamer, right? From Nestle, I think. Yeah, the French vanilla one and also the caramel one. Both of them, I like them, but they're not non-dairy. And I've been trying to use things that are non-dairy. So I saw this. It is from Starbucks. I know. But again, I use a splash of it. So this one, I think I bought it like 2 months ago. And it's almond and oat milk non-dairy coffee enhancer. Just a creamer, and it is hazelnut latte flavored. There's only this one flavor for the almond and oat milk one in the superstore where I go, Real Canadian. So I've been using this. Whatever works, okay? I don't like my coffee super thick or super sweet. Not my thing. I just like my coffee dark, and I use the Tim Hortons dark roast coffee. The best coffee. The best coffee, okay? If you love dark roast coffee, then this is amazing. But if you're like my roommates and you hate super dark coffee, then you'll hate this. I want to show you guys what I got yesterday. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I'm going to try and make my vlogs like 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Ta-da! We have a Zara haul now. Yeah, I know. Yes, it is a leather biker jacket, but I am not that bitch, but I'm trying, okay? So this was initially $80 apparently, but right now it was $40 when the sale was going on. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Now give me a pair of gloves. Let me ride a bike. I think that'll complete the look. It's called a biker jacket for a reason. I mean, I love bikes more than cars. And my favorite four-wheeler is Jeep Wrangler. Can't afford, but one day. Dude, one day. Yeah, this is one thing that I got. I don't know, I kind of liked it. We'll see if I wear it. Next thing I got are a pair of shoes. Just a regular slip-on shoes. All black because I wanted an all black shoes. Yeah, this is from Skechers. It is the memory foam wide fit Skechers shoe. These bad boys are so comfortable. Like, I was wearing them yesterday, trying them on in the store, and I was like, I don't feel anything around my legs. Like, they are so it doesn't, it's so lightweight, by the way, like super lightweight, so comfortable. There's just so much foam inside, it's crazy. Like they say, it's memory foam, so even if I step on it and when I take it off, it comes back. I'm really looking forward to wearing them to 10 because Standing for 7-8 hours, you need something super comfortable. And I love them. I want to finish my coffee, go to gym. See ya. Hi. So I made myself some salad. Yeah, just lettuce, carrot, cucumber, and chicken. I'm gonna eat this and go upstairs. I have class right now, so after my class, I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so I took bath and I feel really fresh and better and also a little bit tired. Like I want to sleep right now. I don't know how people say that after gym you feel so refreshed, but I feel so tired. I feel like sleeping. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. And I just wanted to show you guys that I did change up my room a little bit. Like now both of our beds are like this, and I don't have much space to walk in to my bed. And especially there is no space at all. And it's been really hard for me to change my bed sheet. So I haven't really changed my bed sheet in almost 2-3 weeks, I wanna say. And that's really bad, okay? So I want to change up this whole thing back to how it used to be, so that I will be able to, change my bedsheet and be more hygienic. Also, we did hang like lights up here. I don't remember if I filmed that in the last vlog, but if not, I will show you guys for sure. Anyways, the whole room is a mess right now. I got myself a bigger laundry basket because the other laundry bag that I was using was just, I don't know, the whole thing was coming apart. So I discarded that one. It's right there. I need to discard it. And that's my laundry basket right now. But the laundry that's in there is already done. I did fold a few of the laundry which is sitting right here on my bed. And I've been just sleeping on the same bed with the folded laundry in a corner. So yeah, my life's a mess. And I had like a few things come from Shein the other day, which is sitting right there. I bought the new leggings, which is also in there. The basket that I use for my everyday clothes, it's full. I can't put my gym clothes in there. And I put my innerwear in the third drawer there. So I really don't have a space to put my gym clothes. And I have a few gym clothes right now because I go to the gym every day. We're just going to, change up the whole setting back to how it used to be. And also I want to just clean things up because this can't happen. This is too much. I don't know. This is just terrible. Also, I have a whiteboard that I don't think I have showed you guys. But yeah, I have been tracking my habits, which I stopped like a few days ago. I don't know why I stopped. I was going, like everything was doing just fine, but I stopped. But I still have been reading and working out every day. So it's happening, but I've not been doing the tracker thing. So I'm gonna wipe this whole thing up and start over as well. It's all cluttered. I can't put them back once I take them. It's a mess. So I want to clear that as well. Yeah. Okay. So we got a few things from Dollarama. This is what everything looks like. Just a few organizers. Kiran's property. I did get myself a sketchbook because I do want to start doing like mindful activities, and sketching or drawing used to be one of the things that I used to love. I haven't done it in a while, but I think I'll be able to get back to it. And I got this thing, this baby. It looks cute. I'll show you what it is. Okay. It's just all sticky notes and these tiny notepads. I don't know, I saw them and they look cute, so I got it. And then I got these clear 2 organizers. And then this big basket. Let's get to organizing. now and also is practical. Yay! Hey y'all, so we finished kind of cleaning and arranging the room, and this is the wall that I actually did and I promised to show you guys. So it's just fairy lights that I bought from home, and that thing I bought from Shein. And this one is from Dollarama. 3 tasks for the month, 3 tasks for the day, out of which 2 I've already done. So yay for that. And yes, let's end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And also, I'm starting this new journey, guys. Starting a new healthy wellness journey. Alright, so I'm just focusing on 2 habits right now. It's just working out every day and reading. And then probably if I'm getting along with these 2 habits properly, then maybe more. But for now, it's just 2 habits, reading and working out. I'm trying to track it every day and I'm gonna try my best to do it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And yes, see you all in the next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that